Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over very local to our factory and show centre here in Burgess Hill in West Sussex. Looking forward to showing you around one of our JE Garden offices with a unique layout to work for this very specific space. So tucked around the corner, this is exactly what we're trying to achieve with these offices, is utilising the small spaces in gardens where you wouldn't imagine you could get some workspace or storage space utilised, but this was absolutely perfect. So we've done it side on, so I'm coming down from the house, the garage is here to the right, and what we've done here is actually face the building out to the garage. Worked really nicely. So you can see a couple of different elements there. We've got a window in the side, MTX cladding on that side as well. Versus the cement board, slight cost upgrade, but it does give a much better quality finish than our standard cement board. So upgrade to the MTX. We removed the window from the front there and actually put that into the side with then the door on its own. And that's 2.5 deep and a 2.3 wide. I mean, it really does look like it grew there. I mean, this paving and retaining wall was already in place and it's just worked very nicely. We've gone on top of the paving slabs, but we couldn't trust that for level. They were sloping, which would make sense. So we've actually put a timber frame base and stub steel off of that to create our level, and then the building on top. A great workspace. You'd almost argue it's too big, but I really like it. To say 2.3 wide, 2.5 deep, lots of storage going around there on the side, which works lovely. And then the desk here actually went the other side of the window, but again, it works very nicely. Nice feeling of space as you come inside of the room here, and you can actually do some other bits of it as well. If all of this storage was out, then you'd have a bigger area to maybe put a little seat in there, a little sofa even, and go from there. So a really lovely building here under the 2.5 planning rule. The clients have put these integrated blinds in, extra blinds in afterwards. That's retrofitted, more cost effective than the integrated blinds we offer, but of course not quite as slick. And then you've got the UPVC door, the anthracite colour as standard, although we are now going to be offering these in the black as well. And I just think it's a really nice space. So just imagine that old school measurements, that's nearly just 8 by 8 feet. This little area was a kind of a dead space. What do they do with it? And suddenly it's a daily office, and what a great way to utilise the space. Kept the rest of the garden feeling nice and big, and just works very nicely. So that's our 2.5 or 2.3 garden office over here in Burgess Hill. If this is of interest to you, if you've got a small space that you're trying to work out how to utilise and you want to separate work and home life, then these are great options. Talk to us, let us know what you're thinking, and we're sure we can find a size that will work for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you.